Not everything is as it initially appears. That was gross. That wet tongue just stuck to the paper. Hi, welcome to week 6. Very brief introduction. I'm not even going to pull the screen up. I'm just going to tell you what you need to know. Let's see. I'm looking at the module now. So learning objectives, connecting the dots. Let's talk about connecting the dots. So Zoom School, my fear about Zoom School is that unless I force you to, you're going to try to just skip over those all those connecting the dots of screencasts. So I want to stress what they are and why they are important. As you noticed from the time capsule assignment that I gave you last week, that time capsule assignment is directly referencing, in this case, the Farm Security Administration, Robert Frank, and August Sander for that particular assignment. And not only am I trying to sort of connect the dots in terms of a chronological history of photography and some of the more important movements and ideas that have happened, but I'm also giving you background that is important for our future assignments. And so after that time capsule assignment, for example, the next one will have a few different prompts that you can choose from, all of which come from these connecting the dots conversations. Okay, and so you will also notice that when it comes to the participation and attendance quiz in week 6, I'm trying to force you to engage with those screencasts and discussion posts. And so I've asked, like, all the questions come from those, with the exception of, I think, 1 or 2. So dig into those. And again, I get it that Zoom School, ugh, boring, lame, sucky. But we don't have any other option right now. And take it in bite-sized chunks, right? Like, watch 3 screencasts, take a break, and go stand in the driveway and shoot hoops. That's what I would recommend. Or eat some toast with a butter and apricot jam, thin, and bacon. That's the one. Veggie bacon's great for that too. I just had that. The other thing that's super important this week is the screencast of the Order Out of Chaos highlights. Okay? I just recorded that earlier this morning. I just uploaded it, and your work is strong. Your work is good. Learn from it. Take it forward. Don't now sort of stop and backpedal and go back to thinking that a good picture is a picture of a bridge. I want you to continue to think about and adopt more of the strategies from the Order Out of Chaos assignment as we ride this sucker out into the future. So those are the main sort of schooly parts of things. I did not give you any new lab computery stuff, Photoshop stuff this week. With the exception, did I? I might add one other thing. I'm going to think about this. But I think next week, anyway, I don't know. Maybe I won't add it. I won't add it. I'll just leave what I've got right now. Anyway, so dig in to what you have. Take a little break off the computer part of things. And then next week, I think, is the week that is very computer heavy. Or it might be 2 from now. I'm getting lost. One thing I want to point out to you, though, is that in a couple weeks, we're going to have a situation where you will need to go to Clark College and pick up some materials to complete an analog assignment. By analog assignment, I mean not digital, but we're going to have some cyanotype paper available for you. You are going to make a negative of one of your own pictures. I think I'll give you details on that next week. We'll print that negative out, and then you will make a cyanotype of your own image at home via exposure from the sun. I look up, there's no sun in here. Sun. Anyway, so note that, because if it's going to be a problem for you to go to Clark College, then let me know ASAP and we'll figure out the best solution. I'm just looking at the page here. Other than that, picture talk number 3, so far so good. Just remember, like, don't skimp on the analysis. Lay in. I'm only asking for that one page. Really, and the bulk of that, the heart of that, is the second and third paragraph, where you are digging in and analyzing that the visual elements, the technical elements of how that photographer made that photograph, and then that third paragraph, why? What's it trying to say? And don't lay off the gas. Push down on that one and really dig into that question. So, other than that, things are going pretty well. Really, Order Out of Chaos assignment's looking good. Watch that screencast next. It's good stuff. All right, have a good one. See you next week. But, oh, you know what, though? Don't forget, I'm here. I'm real. I feel like I show up to these Zoom sessions and just sit there and read Twitter. Okay, bye.